What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan, and I'm here to do a whole bunch of unboxing. I got a couple stuff because I wanted to get it, and because I needed it at the time, and I wanted to do it. Let's just see what it is. We all know. Well, let me see. We gonna figure it out together, right? I didn't bring my little cutter so we can get this thing popping. I will put everything in the description. I think I got majority of stuff from Amazon, but the two boxes down here, I got this bowling stuff. I got it from bowling.com and bowlingmark.com. So in the first package, let's see what we got. We have a new pair of blue shoes, because you know what I like to do. I like to have my stuff coordinated. I like to have my stuff coordinated. Yeah. Because the other shoes I have, I pretty much walked the sole off of it. So I needed another pair. So what is in this other one? Oh, this is something different. It's something different. It's something different. I don't know if y'all ready for this one. I don't know if y'all ready for this one. Look at that. Woo, you know what this going with, right? Gotta take both these out. Trying to be cruise ready. Cruise ready. We gotta get the shoes to go with it. You know what I mean? I like that. I like that. Let me know what you think about that purple. Alright. Let's go to the next item. This is Woofer Fashion Classic Clothing. I got this from Amazon as well. So purple vest, purple shoe. Purple pants, purple shoes. Oh, we about to go in. And if I want to do this one, I have the jacket as well. I'm not going to take the jacket with me because I just want the vest because I already got a purple shirt. So I'm going to do it that way. So that's the set. That's the next thing I got. So our next item I'm going to show. We had to re-get some more red ones. Got the red shoes. I ordered some other colors, but on Amazon, apparently, lately if I buy stuff in bulk, the people at the Amazon place be taking my stuff. So we got some red. We got some red. Even though it looks the way they made, it's easy for me to walk in because I like the stuff where it goes around my ankle. And I can just slide them on. So we got that. What's this right here? Other stuff I don't really. Woosah. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a We got gray. So far you've seen the red, blue, and gray. I like you. I like you. I'm singing a song for you. Just like you. Got the gray one. Got the gray ones. You know, it got the mesh and stuff. It's breathable, so it airs out to your foot. And I got this type of motion sickness pill for when I'm doing a cruise. So I'm gonna try these this time because it actually tell you what it takes. The other one I got, it didn't really tell me how many I needed to take when I was on the cruise. This time, this one, I'm gonna try this one and see if that works better. This, oh yeah, this right here like a toilet brush, so you can keep the house clean. It's like a new you know how you want to clean your toilets and stuff? So these right here is supposed to be flushables or something. And what you do, you attach it to the side. You attach this to the side by your bathroom, your toilet, and the dispenser. And then you just use it, clean it, and you can throw it away. So they come with the rods, the dispenser, and they come in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Probably like 24 of these. So it's like 3 packs of these. Alright, well, 32 is 32. There's another pack in there. You come with 4 packs. Come with 4 packs. So it's got 32. So all you gotta do is hook this, close this in together, use it, clean the toilet, and you go from there. Oh yes, what is this I see? I say I'm liking you. I say that you like me too. I have Ron. They did all this for the black ones. It's just crazy. It's like it's the same shoe, but now I got some black ones. But they in different box. But I had ordered some white, some gold, and some green, but those apparently didn't make it here. Because, you know, I gotta coordinate my outfit. So now we're gonna go to the main. This is not the main, but y'all know I go bowling. This one right here. I got this one from bowling.com. Bowling.com. And what it came with, I got this right here. It's the ball cups, so I can put my ball and hold my ball, so it won't slide off the table and stuff. So we got that, and the ball that I got. I like you, like me too. A Piranha. This one is supposed to be one of the good bowling balls that you can use. It's not drill. I'm gonna get a drill today. So next week I'll probably be bowling with this one to test it out. So I gotta put this in the truck. And other bowl, this one right here is also another bowling ball. I got this one from bowlingmart.com. Remember, one of them is bowling.com, the other one is bowlingmart. I got my shoes from bowlingball.com. So there's 3 different sites. This one right here is a hammer. This one right here is a purple hammer. Purple hammer. And both of these are 14 pounds. Both of them is 14 pounds. So get that joker drill right here. And we're gonna be in the books. So I gotta put this in the truck and put this one in the truck. So I can get a drill today. That way I can have it ready for next time. But right now, I gotta clean it up. That's all I got for right now. I will put the description and stuff. I put all this up in the description where I got it from, the link, so if you want to get it. Let me know what you think, which one that you like, stuff like that. But give me an idea what you think about all this stuff, you know what I mean? So whatever you do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Remember, like I always say, fitness is key, peace, and hair grease. Ooh-wee, holla.